This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is the car you guys have been waiting for. This is a Tesla Model 3 long range, but it's rear wheel drive and Highland. And in this video I'm going to install the sexy buttons, or actually mainly the commander. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the buttons, but okay, in the past I showed you an installation that could maybe damage parts of the interior, but this time I will do it like Sondre. He's a bit busy today, unfortunately, but we'll do it like Sondre and pop some of the other panels here. And then it should be a nice and safe installation, right? So, not sure, can I do this myself now? Well, I'm a Thai can, right? No, a Thai can't. Okay, let's get cracking. So we start by pushing the passenger seat all the way back so we get more space. There, it stopped there. Okay, I want to check that this doesn't pump. Oh, okay. And then we take off this rubber gasket, but it seems to be slightly different than before because it's a bit attached to the front. I have to make sure to pop it out. Well, actually, yeah, we don't have to pop it all the way out, but let's just loosen it up here to make it easier. And the next step is to poke out this panel. There, you see it? Yeah, just carefully yank it open. There. It just comes out quite easily. There. And the last one. All right. And then we pop out this fastener. There. But in my last video, I did not do this, pull out this big piece. Because then we don't have to bend this, we just have to remove it, and there was something in here that needs to be pulled out also. There. Now this makes it easier for the installation. And then plug it in the port here, the communication. Yeah, it's quite tight here, so you have to bend some of the cables so you can reach. Oh, come on. There, and this creates another port in case you want to plug in, let's say, ScanMyTesla, create an RWD port from this, but we are not going to do it here. And then we have to steal some power from there. Let's see, let me get this tool again and just poke out the power cable here. And then we daisy chain it so we can get the juice. Like that. And then we take the commander. This is Gen 2 commander. It's quite nice and slick, small. I'll plug it in. Just try to tuck it in somewhere here before we close everything. Well, actually, maybe up here could also work. Oh, okay. Well, okay, let me just tuck it in here first. A little bit there. Yeah, all right. And then we have to do it in the reverse order. Okay. Take this big piece here again. Try to align it in. There are some locating pins here. Just push it in on the inside. Okay, push it in. There. Click, click, click. I'm gonna take this fastener and then push in this, and it should lock in place. And then we take this triangle piece here. I think the easiest way to look at these hooks here, they go in first before you push in the others. So it wasn't that clear in some of the other videos how to do it. But to just find out where it's supposed to lay down. Here, roughly. And then there is one of the holes. And the other hole is in there somewhere. Just try a couple of times and then you'll get the right feel over it. And this is so clumsy, man. Just to install something on the RWD port. There. Okay, finally. And then we put the rubber gasket back on place. Like that. What is this slightly off? I'm not sure. But it seems to be correctly aligned there. I could go over to Bilkomponent and ask and send him a picture, but I think it's supposed to be like this. Because I really tried to push it further in and it doesn't go. I can feel like it doesn't go further in. And then you just do the remaining, go in the app and then connect the commander. And the commander is the main communication unit against all the other sexy products if you want to add knob or stalks or buttons. And it makes the Tesla so much better. So that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.